Hey everyone, Robert Molnar here, and welcome to my third and final video of my 100K Formula in a Nutshell online video series. For those of you who saw my last video, you know that this video is truly going to be something special because I'm going to be doing something really cool for you guys today. I am going to be building out a funnel right in front of your very eyes on this desktop screen within the next 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to be done. So you guys are going to be able to see how I do it, what steps I need to take in order to get that done, and how easy it is and how simple it is that just anyone can do it. Seriously, anyone can do it. They've made making funnels online as easy as working at McDonald's. For those of you who don't know what working at McDonald's is like, they have little buttons like if someone goes up to order a cheeseburger, they have a little cheeseburger button on the cashier at McDonald's, and you just push the cheeseburger button. It's as easy as that. They literally made funnel making and running your business online that easy. So let's jump right in, guys, and let's see what we can do. Alright, so the first thing you want to do when you build out a funnel is you want to go to a site called 2weeksclickfunnels.com. Once you go here, you are going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Give me one second. Okay, so this is 2weeksclickfunnels.com.
So we're here inside of the Apple Store in Boise.
Okay, so if you get here, you know you're in the right place. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here and create an account. And with this website, you're going to get a 2-week free trial to this software, and it will allow you to build out funnels for your business like it's nothing. It's crazy. So let's do that. So once you log in and you create your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click here on Add New Funnel. And as you can see, they already have pre-made funnels for you that you can use. You can use an opt-in funnel, sales funnel, webinar funnel, an auto webinar funnel, membership funnel, launch funnel, custom funnel. And all of these are already pre-made, and once you click on them, it's already actually going to have a little pre-made funnel that you can just edit and customize. It's so cool. I'll show you. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to use a sales funnel as an example. So click on sales funnel and click on create funnel. And I am going to name this funnel funnel number 1. Create funnel. Okay, cool. So as you can see, they already made a little pre-made customizable funnel that you can kind of play around with and add stuff to it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you have selected the type of funnel that you want is you're going to be taken to this page, and you're going to need to create your squeeze page or your capture page. Remember I talked about that in my last video? It's the first thing that your traffic is going to hit when they come to your site. So this is what you're trying to attract all of your traffic to, is your squeeze page or your capture page. So typically what you want to do is you want to leave this in opt-in, right? Because these aren't really what we're looking for. So you want to leave it at opt-in. So then it actually gives you a list of the different types of styles that you can use for your opt-in page of your funnel. So what I think I'm going to do is let's use this page. This looks kind of cool. I like the little ice mountains in the background. Okay, cool. So once you've selected that, it will organize everything for you and set everything up. And then once it's done loading, you're going to click on Open in Editor. Give it a second, just loading really quick. And boom, here is your landing page or your squeeze page or your capture page. So this is going to be the front page of your funnel. And remember, for those of you who watched my last video, I said that typically you really want to offer something free for your initial offer, right? So what I think I'm going to do is I am going to, well, let's use what was the company I used in my last video? Selfhelper.com. Yeah, so let's use selfhelper.com. So we'll change this. Oh, we don't even need that. If you have a logo, you can place that here. You can add a headline. Selfhelper.com. Selfhelper.com. Check out our awesome new look. Yeah, terrible speller. Thank God for spell check. So yeah, so that's that. And then maybe for my landing page, what I want to do, this page seems to be based around a book. Well, maybe I'll give away a free book. So this will be my landing page for selfhelper.com, and I'm going to give away a free book. So maybe inside this book you'll learn about cool stuff to cool stuff, cool strategies to improve your business. Sorry, I'm a fast typer, but yeah, so that's what you're gonna do. And as you can see, it's very easy. You can customize everything however you want. Maybe you want to add a video down here, and once you've gotten all the design work done and you're happy with how it looks, then what you're gonna want to do is get them, entice them to order your free product, or in this case your free book. They're going to fill out their name and their email address right there, which by the way saves. So if you want to do the email marketing, which still works, I know I talked about it in my second video, you can do that. It captures their email address and you can create your own little list. So cool, that's that. So once you've finished up with, make sure you save, by the way, always make sure you save. Once you've finished up with your landing page, then you're going to be taken to a sales page. And again, well, this could be your upsell page, so maybe we'll rename it upsell. But again, it lets you pick the type that you want, pick the style. I think I'm going to go with this one, because I've used that before and it works well. So I'm going to use this one as an example. And this is going to be your upsell page, the thing that I talked about in my last video, and you can actually change that name. Let's name it upsell. You can actually change the domain name and everything. It's so cool. And I'll talk more about that in my attractive character funnel program. So be sure to sign up for that, because I'm going to be taking a much more thorough look into this website and kind of train you guys on how to do all this stuff and tell you, what all this means. So then you make your upsell page and you open that in the editor too. Give it a second, it's loading. Perfect. So cool. As you can see, your upsell page has already been made as well. You can add your logo. Wait, special one-time offer. Don't close this page. You'll be redirected in members area. So it already has all those fancy, catchy little slogans there. And yeah, you can customize it however you want. Rechange the words. Maybe make a video. And cool. And if you guys already have a product that you're hoping to sell using 2weeksclickfunnels.com, we are a company that is integrated with Stripe, so you could just integrate your product through Stripe and add it right. Oh, whoops. And you can add it in, and oh, maybe it's on the order form. Yeah, it's probably on the order form. And on the order form, because this is where they go and make their final order, you can just drop in all of the your different products that you're promoting throughout your funnel. So like my free book and my upsell, if people wanted both of those, would both show up on my order form. And you would click right here on products and sales on the order form and just add in your product, and yep, just fill out all of the information here, and make sure that Stripe is all good to go, and perfect, just like that, you're good to go. And if you ever have any questions, if you ever get stuck along the way and you just can't seem to figure something out, you can always click on the little help tab here, and it will give you the ability to contact 2 Weeks ClickFunnels support team, and they'll be able to answer pretty much any question you have. They're very thorough, and they've helped me quite a few times too. So if you ever need help, you can just contact them. Be sure to fill out all of the information, because they do like to have as much information as they can before they try to help you. Okay, cool, so let's keep on rolling. So we got the free book on the squeeze page, then we upsell them on something. Once they say yes, they're taken to the upsell page, so they click the button on the squeeze page, the one that I showed you. Then they're taken to the upsell page. If they want it, cool. If they don't, oh well. Either way, after that they're taken to the order form where they can complete their order, and that's that. That's the first, those are your first 3 steps of the funnel. Done. Did you see, like, so easy? Did you see how quickly it took me to get that done? Like it's so cool, and it's so easy. Even a elementary school kid could learn how to do this, I bet. So then once they've completed their order form, then they're going to go to the order confirmation page, which is just a little quick thank you page, or just a little, you know, what they've ordered. You can preview it just to see what it looks like. Dynamically updated. Once you insert your product, it'll all pop up here automatically, and yep, congrats, your order is complete. So that takes care of that, and then it takes you to the thank you page where it says thank you for your order, and you can preview that too as well. And so those are your first few steps of your funnel. And what's cool about this program is that, say you want I don't know, make this the webinar. Yeah. So this is going to be, so say you wanted to keep going after, and you wanted to keep adding stuff. What I was talking about in the last video, you want to keep progressing people, you want to keep ascending people through your funnel, and keep offering them more value, and keep adding you know, more high-ticket items to your funnel, so that way they can keep going. So in this case, I'm just going to quickly add a webinar just so you can see how it's done. So again, it's asking you what type of template you want. You want to click on a webinar registration. Yeah, cool. And then this is where they can go and register for the webinar that you're planning on creating, right? So you're gonna click on here, use template, and cool, you can just keep going from there. Do you see how, I hope you can see how this works though, like how every page is linked to the next page, and you can connect the you can connect each button. So like I'm just gonna click on the capture page one more time just to show you. Hang on one second. So like this little button right here, you can connect that to your upsell page or your order page or whatever you want to do, and very easy to use, very simple, and very straightforward. So definitely check that out if you guys are looking to build a funnel for yourself. This is the absolute best way to do it. It is brand new to the market. It was just released, I'd say about a few months ago. So it's nobody on the market is using it yet. The only people who are aware of its existence is you know, some of the top people in the industry who are their creators, they're the only ones who know about this. So you're going to be one of the first people to get their hands on this program right here and start taking advantage of its facilities. So make sure you do not wait, because in a few years I foresee everyone using ClickFunnels to build out their businesses online, and it's going to become saturated very quickly. So make sure that you do not get left behind. And again, to get to this site, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to 2weeksclickfunnels.com, and it'll take you right to where you need to go. So I hope this has been a sufficient enough video for you guys to see how easy it is to build out a funnel of your very own. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to end the video here. If you want to learn more about this stuff and you want to learn how you can implement this into your business, and you kind of want to learn more about some of the different tricks and strategies and techniques that go hand in hand with some of the things that I've been talking about, definitely click on the link in the email, and it will take you to my Attractive Character Funnel program, where I dive much deeper into this stuff, and you're going to learn a lot more cool stuff. And hopefully, you know, I'll be able to get your business to where you want to go faster, easier, and cheaper than any other method you might find out there. So check me out, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope that this video has been awesome. Alright, take care.